let's explore Sydney with Curly Consultant. We flew to Sydney via Gold Coast, which costs about INR 3,500 and takes about 1.5 hours. So we were actually in Sydney for only about 2 days, and our first stop was Bondi Beach. It is such a popular beach and it is absolutely beautiful. Alongside the beach is a very beautiful coastal walk. It is 6 kilometers long and starts from Bondi Beach and goes up to the Coogee Beach. You can easily just stop in between, enjoy the views. They also have pretty little cafes in between. So just take your stop, enjoy the pretty beaches that come in between, enjoy the pretty views, and it will be an amazing day spent at Bondi Beach. So we started day 2 by just taking a walk around the city, just riding the tram and walking around the Darling Harbour, where we had our brunch at the Pontoon Cafe. In the evening we finally visited the Opera House. So you need to pay a ticket of $48 to enter it, but you can just hang around the cafes outside. There's an opera bar where you can just chill, but let me tell you, it is going to be super crowded. A lot of movies were shot here too. We also have the Sydney Harbour Bridge right in front of the Opera House, so it makes for a majestic view. Again,